there, everybody, and welcome to an extra special show. Our big 20th anniversary celebration here at Chuck E. Cheese. You know, in 20 years of family fun, we've had Chuck E. Cheese locations almost everywhere on Earth.
From California to Kalamazoo.
From New York to New Mexico.
From Wisconsin to Walla Walla, Washington.
From right over here to right over there. Yeah, right. But our very newest location isn't on the Earth. It's under the sea.
Yes?
That's right. The newest Chuck E. Cheese's is in Atlantis, the legendary city all the way at the bottom of the ocean.
Ooh.
And thanks to my awesome adventure machine, we can all take a submarine ride to go see it.
All right.
Okay, hang on to your water wings, and here we go! Yep, Atlantis is 1 mile from here, straight down. Are you ready, crew? Oh, yeah!
Oh, yeah!
Oh, yeah? Then heave to, mateys, and prepare to dive. Lowering the ballast tanks.
Oh, what? The tanks! Tanks!
Oh, you're welcome. Okay, guys, keep a lookout for whales and sharks. Whales?
And sharks!
Oh, yeah. Hey, look, there's some unusual undersea life.
It must be a school of fish.
How do you know it's a school?
Because I can see the teacher fish.
Yeah, but even with schools, fish always get bad report cards.
Oh, why is that?
Because all their grades are below sea level.
Do you see what I see?
Oh, you mean that shark? Yikes, a shark! Man, how many sequels does that guy need? Now I see something really scary. Another shark? It's Munch in a swimsuit.
Just call me Bubbles.
And you can call me the chicken of the sea.
According to the instruments, we should be getting close to Atlantis.
Which instruments?
Those instruments right there.
Oh!
Hey, looky there. I do believe I could make a sandwich out of that rascal.
What kind of sandwich?
Why, peanut butter and jellyfish, of course.
I think this is as deep as I can go. See you later, guys.
Catch you on the top side.
Oh, I sure wish I'd learned how to swim.
I can teach you to dog paddle. Hang on, guys. I think I see Atlantis dead ahead.
Oh, do you have to put it that way?
Yeah, there it is. Bringing engines to a dead stop.
Oh, there you go again.
Hey, looks like we've got company. It's some mer-boys and mer-girls from the Atlantis Chuck E. Cheese's.
Where a kid can be a squid.
Uh-oh, we've got a warning siren. We've got to go back up and fast. Chucky, we just lost the direction finder.
I'll tell you which direction. Go up, go up.
This is gonna be close. Hold your breath, everybody.
Don't worry, help is on the way.
We'll help push you to the surface.
If we get out of this, I'll never eat saltwater taffy again.
Come on, Ellen. One last push.
Here you go.
We made it. Yahoo!
Magnifico.
Wow. Take a deep breath, everybody. Now that's what I call an awesome adventure. Uh-oh. Sounds like we splashed a little too much water around up here. Guess I better dry this stuff off. But don't worry, we won't leave you high and dry looking for more fun. I'll be back with another adventure in just a little while. See you then.